I'm hearing a lot about deporting illegal migrants and immigrants who aren't supposed to be in the country right now. And I have to say I agree on one point. I think Elon Musk should absolutely be deported. He abused his student visa. He quit his studies to start up a business that he later sold for $300 million and completely abused our immigration system and isn't actually here legally, and neither is his brother. So I am all for deporting Elon Musk back to Africa. You know, let's get rid of the illegals. He's the only one I want to get rid of course, but I mean, talk about abusing our system of immigration and who gets to come here and stay, you know. Let's get rid of this abusive prick. This guy lied to the government. His brother lied to border security. They don't deserve to be here. And guy's done nothing but cause problems for people who actually deserve to be here since he has been here. He has hoarded wealth. He has tried to destroy unions. He's wrecked life for working class people here. So, yeah. Let's deport Elon Musk. Send him packing. Tell him to pack his fucking shit and get out of here.